Today we learn to write a short essay in 10 lines on the topic coronavirus. Let's start. First line is coronavirus is a highly contagious and infectious disease spreading all around the world very rapidly. Next line, coronavirus is also known as Covid-19. Next line, coronaviruses are a large family of viruses in which novel coronavirus is a new strain responsible for COVID-19. Next line. The coronavirus first human case was reported in Wuhan City, China in December 2019. Next line. The World Health Organization has declared coronavirus as a pandemic on 11th March 2020. Next line is coronavirus can spread through close contact with the COVID-19 infected person. Next line. COVID-19 can only be prevented by taking some precautions such as sanitization and social distancing. Next line. Some most common symptoms of the coronavirus are fever, headache, dry cough, and shortness of breath. Next line is coronavirus is more dangerous for the people of older age. Next line. Till date, there is no certified cure for COVID-19, although some available vaccines claim to reduce the chances of infection in people.